In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add tables to your WordPress posts and pages without needing to touch a single line of HTML. Now, whether you're updating your blog, sharing data, or organizing content more neatly, adding tables can be a great way to enhance the readability of your posts. So let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll want to head over to wordpress.com, open your preferred web browser and simply type in wordpress.com in the address bar, then hit enter. Once the page loads, look for the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the home page. Give that a click. If you have a Google account linked with your WordPress, this process is about to get even easier. On the login page, you'll see an option to continue with Google. Click on that to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the one associated with your WordPress site. Once you've selected your account, WordPress will log you in and take you to your dashboard. Now, let's move on to the next step. Under the Quick Links section on the right panel of your dashboard, look for and click on Edit Site. This is where the magic happens. When the editor loads, it's time to add a table block to your post or page. Look towards the top of your editor interface, locate the plus icon, it's usually labeled Add Block Show, and give it a click. This is your gateway to a myriad of options that WordPress offers for enhancing your content. In the search box that appears, type in the word table. This will quickly filter your options and bring up the table block. Once you see the table option pop up, click on it. Instantly, a blank table will be inserted into your post or page. Here you can specify how many columns and rows you need by adjusting the settings directly on the table itself. Feel free to add or remove columns and rows as necessary. WordPress makes it super intuitive. If you find this feature handy, remember that you can return to the plus icon anytime you need to add more tables or even other elements. Adding a table is not just about organizing content, it's about presenting your information in a clean and reader-friendly way, thereby enhancing the overall user experience on your site. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add tables to your WordPress posts and pages without any HTML required. By using the built-in blocks, you can easily manage and format your content with a professional touch. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out our other tutorials for more WordPress tips and tricks. Happy blogging!